This week, I wanted to take a different approach to my videos, so we are going to dive deep into my visual journal, if you will, of my experience hiking to Goldmire Hot Springs. If you're new here, my name is Hannah, and I'm a travel and nature photographer, and I share all things travel, nature, photography, video, editing, you name it. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. So Goldmire Hot Springs, there is a lot you need to know, but firstly, this is not a just walk up to type of experience. You do need to book in advance, and there are a lot of other things you need to know. So I'll link everything that you need to know down in the description below, and I will see you at Goldmire Hot Springs. So there you have it. That was my experience hiking to Goldmire Hot Springs. And honestly, I loved making this style of video. I feel like places often don't need me talking or an explanation. It more so just allows you to think freely about a place, form your own opinions, and just enjoy the nature. So I really liked making it. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it as well, because I can start incorporating this type of video into my content more frequently here on YouTube. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.